What's the meaning of code name? Code name. Code name.
Code name. Code name. A codename is a word or phrase used to refer to a project, operation, or person, typically in a secretive or confidential context. It allows for easier communication and reduces the risk of sensitive information being leaked. Codenames are frequently used in the military, intelligence services, and government agencies, but can also be used in corporate settings. They can provide a level of secrecy and security that allows for the smooth execution of projects without attracting unwanted attention. Overall, codenames are a useful tool for protecting sensitive information and maintaining confidentiality.